Yeah, what's happening YouTube? Lee Pyro here. This is the 100-shot shootout. So we're starting with lightning strike, 100 shots. Glimmer, 100 shots. Weapon G, 100 shots. And finishing off with revival, 100 shots. Hope you guys like. So you know the lineup, guys. So it's lightning strike first, Glimmer second, Weapon G third, and revival. You want to take it down there, bro?
Yep.
Shout me when you're in a good position, bro.
Dad?
Yeah, go with Tush, go with Tush.
They're jealous because they don't fireworks.
Alright.
They're not jealous.
Bear with me, people, the light is shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's starting right now. Woo! They're doing fireworks again. You come from over there, like in the middle. They're jealous.
Don't worry about that.
I think some people don't saying, how many have you got? Okay. Do you have what? The other one? This is the light one. I see it. That's okay!
There we go.
Okay!
Yo! 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 Cool.
What? I think they're in right now. Look, it's in me again. Stop!
Probably 4 of the best 100-shot tapes you're gonna see. Yeah? YouTube. I'm still gobsmacked by what I just saw there, what I just witnessed. That was 400 shots altogether, YouTube. The titanium salutes and glimmer, absolutely brilliant. But what topped it for me was Revival. The mind lift on Revival, the colours. It was absolutely beautiful. Sod, we've knocked it out of the park with there. For me, Revival had that all day long for me. 100 shots in the bag, Revival all day long. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. You know what to do, people. Peace out.